In a course of a year, I approximately put on 20 to 30,000 miles. So far this year, I have one flat tire. The thing I like the most about Hartford is the people in the community. Just being local to the community really provides a quality of service. Connecting everybody to Golden West and to the fiber optic, it's real important today because a lot of people are working from home and they need that quality service to be able to work from home. The thing I love about the job the most is not all installs are the same. Every day is a new day. And then meeting all of the new people in the community and being able to connect everybody. The thing I appreciate the most is the smile on a customer's face when we get done with an install, knowing that we did a good job.